Catherine Asiwiru.
3 legislators, including Michael Mawando of Igara East constituency, Ignatius Wamakuyu Mudimi, Elgon County, and Paul Akamba Busiki County, City Lawyer Julius Kiria Taitankoko, and Leonard Kavundira, the Principal Cooperative Officer and the Minister of Finance, have appeared at the Anti-Corruption Court to proceed with the corruption-related cases. The 5 allegedly diverted public funds with conspiracy to defraud over 7.3 billion shillings made for compensation of Biaka Growers Cooperative Society Limited. The case is before Chief Magistrate Joanna Achiro. Through their legal team, the accused asked court for bail.
And all other accused persons deferred their right to apply for bail for the reasons they gave. Counsel for all the accused persons have now had adequate time to consult with the accused persons and we all have instructions to apply for bail today. However, because we have just seen the accused persons in the dock, it's our humble prayer that this matter be stood over for about 30 minutes so that we do last minute consultation and arrange our sureties. We so pray. And I'm making this prayer on behalf of all counsel for the 5 accused persons.
Your Worship, the applicant before you, Honorable Wamakuyu Ignatius Mudimi, is 54 years of age. Worship is a member of parliament representing the people of Elgon County. That is in Bulambuli district, Eastern Uganda. He has been gracious, Your Worship, to serve in that position since 2006. To date, before court, he has provided his identification of work. He's a resident of Zambia. He's a resident of Zambia. That is Goodwill Village, Kampala.
When you mention a document, what exactly you're saying he has provided, and then see that he has provided.
Copy of the title of that same place where he resides. And I wish court to note LRV volume 4690, folio 22, Chibuga block 15, plot 2783. Parliament gazetted of
no, not this. You're speaking to people, not on the video. Let everyone understand your language, okay?
Yes, I wish to submit, Your Worship, strongly that members of Parliament are gazetted officers. And once that proof is indicated that is a member of Parliament, the court is obliged to take judicial notice of that fact. Yes, so that was just my addition. Must oblige. Your Worship, before court we wish also to indicate that that title is ready if court so wishes to deposit it as security. And also is willing and ready to deposit the passport. Maybe if he needs to use it, he can still apply to court. But for now, he is willing to comply. With all the terms and conditions that you may set. Your Worship, I have 5 sureties. If I'm guided, I can select and present 4. I'll begin by calling his brother Wodulo Godfrey. Godfrey, please come quickly so that I have your documents. Your Worship, Wodulo Godfrey, moving in front, is 49 years of age. He is a resident of Nsambia East. The resident of Nsambia East. Gogonya 2. Is 49 years of age. We have availed a copy of his identity card.
They further presented sureties, including members of Parliament Dennis Nyangweso, Derek Kabura among others, plus submitting land titles and bank statements, showcasing their financial stability.
Worship is a resident of Nsambia East, Gogonya 2, which we have availed to court, Local Council 1. That is in the Makinde Division, Kampala District of Kampala City Council. Person is a senior procurement officer. The senior procurement officer. Working with the Ministry of Health. And I'm advised that he sits in the headquarters just opposite court here. That's where his workstation is. Any bail terms, if granted to him as a surety. We'll just arrest him from here if the man doesn't show up. And he convinces me that I should persuade the court that he will be able to stand in for his brother. He speaks English, so he can't turn around, but I didn't explain his role. The telephone number is 772 460 514. He only has one line. Unless the court would wish to get any clarification from him, I would wish to go to the second surety, Your Worship. Most obliged. Let me finish with the family. The second surety is Kayegi Beatrice. Kayegi Beatrice is 60 years of age. Worship, Kayegi Beatrice standing before me is 60 years of age. Is a resident of She also informed me that she's a retired teacher trainer. She was training our primary teachers at Busuwuzi Primary Teachers College. Busuwuzi Primary Teachers College is a government institution. And currently she's enjoying her pension from government before she joined the NGO world.
E. Rona F4's passport. Passport number A00 56 33 91.
However, prosecution led by Edwin Asingwire prayed to court for more time to verify the documents and doing a background check on both the applicants and the sureties.
This is also in line with the rules of this court, the High Court Anti-Corruption Division Case Management Rules of 2021, Rule 7, which we are sure we cannot comfortably say we have done all the background checks, and we are sure, given the short time we have received these documents in court, which the same applies to the need to fulfill the Rule 7 of this Honorable Court. Where we are supposed to be able to confirm to court about the requirements in application for bail. Your Worship, additionally, I'm about to conclude, I know. In the case of Nabisuri Erina, in the criminal application number 29, that is of 2024, Nabisu, it's an application. Nabisuri Erina and 3 others versus Uganda. A consolidated criminal applications number 29, 30, 31, 32 of 2024. It was stated that it's a consolidated, they are consolidated applications number 29, 30, 31, and 32 of 2024. That is by High Court Anti-Corruption Division. Justice Gidudu stated that it is the duty of the state to verify the authenticity of documents. It is the reason they are served on the state with the application so that they can use the state machinery to cross-check with the issuing institutions to confirm if the documents are true or not. In the premises, Your Worship, as officers of court, we find it appropriate and prudent to pray for time to verify, to study the application, verify the documents, and accurately respond to the application.
The defense lawyers had no objection in prosecution his prayers.
And while we are sure that all the facts presented before this court are correct, we appreciate the desire of the state to cross-check and verify but while they do that, they should bear in mind the synchronicity of the accused freedoms, bearing in mind the fact that I've now been incarcerated for about 3 weeks. Therefore, Your Honor, conceding to the application, we pray that the prosecution be given 1 or 2 days within which to do their verification and then we come back for their reply. That shouldn't be difficult with today's modern technology. Of course, we are aware that Your Honor also need some time to prepare a ruling, and it's our prayer that all that process should have ended by close of this week, so that the accused persons can regain their freedom as we have been praying. I so pray.
Chief Magistrate Joanna Chiro adjourned the case to the 18th of July 2024 for further hearing. Prosecution alleges that Mawanda, Wamakuyu, Akamba, Kija and Kavundira committed the offences between 2019 and 2023.